Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how I did this nail set right here using water decals. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching, and also to see these gorgeous colours from Madam Glam. So this is kind of like an in-between November, autumn, fall, and December and Christmas. It's right in between, so we're kind of past Halloween, we're past early autumn, but we're not ready for those reds and golds just yet. And Madam Glam kindly sent me over this collection. It is their secondary launch of November. So they did have their House of Giving collection earlier in the month, which was stunning. And then this one is the secondary launch. There's 4 gels in this bundle. It is a scented bundle. So that is so cute. I've never actually tried anything scented before. And what it means is basically when you open the bottle and you're painting on the gel, you get a nice scent from the gel. So the hint is in the names. But I can tell you it is very, very nice, not overpowering at all, just nice and soft, nice sweet scent. So as always, Madam Glam, they're HEMA free, 21 free formula, palm oil free, vegan and cruelty free, which is so important. And I'm just going to show you exactly what the colours look like. So I want to just swatch them on the tips first so you can see a good look at the colours. And I'm also going to have a couple of comparisons. So the first one is spiced cinnamon. And I'm just going to let you watch the swatches and I'll be back to you in a second. So this is the 4 colours in that bundle. This is one coat because there was just no need to do 2 coats, especially for this design. They were just so full coverage. This is one coat and this is how it turned out. So for the purposes of the design, I'm going to do the thumb and the pinky the exact same colour. And this is me just comparing this colour to Visionary. So Visionary is on the right. I just thought they might be similar, but Visionary is a bit lighter. And then this is Spooky Pants compared to the orange in this collection. I also popped up Divine Glam just to compare to that brown, but as you can see, they're nothing alike. So they're just the collections from earlier in the year, and I just decided to pop the swatches beside them, but there was no real kind of really similar ones at all. But just in case you were wondering about any collections from earlier in the year, that is just a few comparisons on them. But this is me just popping on the water decals. Now I'm going to do the first couple of water decals here, and I'm not showing you the full process, but in a second I am going to show you exactly how it should come off the backing. So when you're cutting out a water decal, you just cut out the shape that you want or the image that you want, and then you pop it in like a warm little dapping dish of water, just like here. So this is just warm water, and then you get little tweezers, and you can see here I've kind of slowed it down a little bit so the plastic comes away from the cardboard, and once it comes away like that, you should be able to pick it up with a tweezer exactly like that, and then just pop it on to wherever you want it on the nail. So don't be afraid to move it around a little bit and kind of work with it. But a really sharp pointed tweezers is probably your best bet. I use that eyelash tweezers there. One of my clients actually gave that one to me, and it's perfect for decals. So then I just use a silicone tool as well to help rub in the edges. So they're just like this now here. I'm just going to kind of use either my gloved finger or a silicone tool just to kind of like get the edges in place like that. And you should be good to go. But if you have any questions, just comment down below on the whole decal process. And I'm just going to let you watch me pop on the rest of them, and I'll be back with the next part of the design. So next up, I'm going to go in with Milky Way from the House of Giving collection, and I'm going to grab a dotting tool and I'm going to go in on 3 of the nails and do some snowflakes. So this is kind of like a really off-white, and I just thought it matched the colours in this set really well and the colours that are already on the decals. So I'm just going to put a little bit of gel polish on that dotting tool, not a lot at all, and I'm just gently hitting off the nail here. I'm not putting too much pressure on because I don't want a big circle blob. So as I go down the nail, I'm hitting the nail tip even lighter so that those snowflakes are smaller on the way down. Yeah, so I'm just going to do the same on the middle nail as well, because I kind of thought that was missing a bit of detail, and I think this makes it look really nice, just adding in the little snowflakes beside the Christmas tree. And yeah, so this is, I think this really made the set, like I love the decals, but the little snowflakes just really made the set look complete, I think. So yeah, and I was excited to use that Milky Way as well because it is such a cute colour. So it's kind of given me the idea that in Christmas time I probably will use that a lot for like off-white snowflakes and stuff. Now this is how the set turned out. I'm so happy with it. So let me know if you like this and if you are into your Christmas nail sets yet, or what, are you completely sick of autumn? Are you just dying to get into Christmas? But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.